Hi, today I'm with NOKIA G42 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and tap to network and internet, click to internet section and tap to Wi-Fi switcher to activate this option. After that you'll see here all of the available networks here. If you, for example, connected to this network, you could disconnect or just click to forget the password. After that, for example, if you want to use the same or just one from the available networks, you should just tap on it, enter here one more time the password. If you want to see this password, click to show password checkbox, then just tap to connect, wait a second, now we'll wait just a couple of seconds. Okay, one more time. And now we can see that we just successfully connected to this network. So also we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here internet or Wi-Fi icon. Click on this switcher to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. Select the network, enter the password, tap to connect, click to done, and that's it. If you want to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs ups and subscribe.